UPI collect money scam. A detailed explanation. What is a UPI collect money scam? A UPI Unified Payments Interface. Collect money scam is a fraudulent activity, where scammers trick victims into initiating a UPI transaction to pay them a certain amount. Once the victim initiates the transaction, the scammer will use various tactics to cancel or reverse the transaction, leaving the victim with a loss of money. How does it work? 1. Contact. Scammers typically contact their victims through various channels, including phone calls, text messages, or social media. 2. Phishing. They often pose as legitimate individuals or organizations, such as banks, government agencies, or online sellers. 3. Request. The scammer will request the victim to make a small payment, often under the guise of a security deposit, verification fee, or service charge. 3. UPI transaction. The victim is instructed to initiate a UPI transaction using their mobile app, specifying the scammer's UPI ID. 4. Cancellation. Once the transaction is initiated, the scammer will employ various tactics to cancel or reverse the transaction, such as claiming technical difficulties or providing false information. 5. Loss. As the victim's money is not transferred successfully, they end up losing the amount they attempted to pay. Common scamming tactics. 1. Creating a sense of urgency. Scammers often use tactics to create a sense of urgency, such as claiming limited time offers, or threatening legal consequences. 2. Phishing for personal information. They may ask for personal details like bank account numbers, passwords, or OTPs to gain access to the victim's accounts. 3. Using fake websites or apps. Scammers may direct victims to fake websites, or apps that resemble genuine platforms. How to protect yourself. 1. Be cautious of unsolicited requests. Never initiate UPI transactions based on unsolicited calls, messages, or emails. 2. Verify the sender's identity. Always verify the authenticity of the sender before sharing any personal information, or making payments. 3. Use caution with online transactions. Be cautious when making online transactions, especially with unfamiliar sellers, or websites. 4. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect a scam, report it to the relevant authorities, or your bank immediately. If you have fallen victim to a UPI collect money scam, it is important to report the incident to your bank and local law enforcement authorities.